Hello, and today from Great Lakes Security Hardware in Clinton Township, we're talking about our locksmith service. We offer commercial, residential, automobile locksmith services to you with our accounts receiving priority after-hours emergency service when needed. We also offer the general public emergency service during normal business hours. To learn how you can get an account with us at Great Lakes Security Hardware and to have the peace of mind that you have the best locksmith service with the best prices in Clinton Township, call us today, 888-855-6257, or visit us at GreatLakesSecurityHardware.com.